On this day in 1989, M. Fatima Bibi was appointed as the first woman judge in India. It was a watershed moment in the country that paved the way for women in India to occupy positions in the higher judiciary. Born in Kerala, Fatima became the first woman to top the Bar Council of India's exam in 1950. Over the next 3 decades, she served in several judicial roles before being elevated to the Kerala High Court as a judge in 1983. In October, 6 months after retiring from the Kerala High Court, Fatima was appointed as a Supreme Court judge. She is also the first Muslim woman judge to be appointed to any higher judiciary, and she earned the distinction of being the first woman judge of a Supreme Court of an Asian nation. On this day in 1893, renowned astrophysicist Meghnad Saha was born. He gave the world the thermal ionization equation, also known as the Saha equation. From being a young boy eager to excel in his studies to being one of the world's most renowned scientists, Saha shaped the face of modern science in India. Born in a village in Dhaka to a fairly poor family, Saha was the 5th child of 8 and the family struggled to make ends meet. But his monetary issues could not dissuade his keen interest in academics. With the ardent help of his elder brother Jainath, Saha finished his higher education. Meghnad Saha's contribution to the scientific world till date holds massive relevance, and he is revered by scientists and researchers across the world. Saha was also active in the Indian political scenario. In 1952, he stood for the parliamentary elections as an independent candidate from the Northwest Calcutta constituency and won. Today marks the 11th year since Instagram was launched on Apple's mobile operating system in October of 2010. The photo and video sharing social media application was launched by Kevin Systrom. The first prototype of Instagram was a web app called Bourbon, which was inspired by Systrom's love of fine whiskies and bourbons. The app racked up to 25,000 users on the very first day of its launch. From the very beginning, the primary focus of the app was to feature photographs, especially those taken on mobile devices. Just prior to Instagram's initial public offering in 2012, Facebook acquired the company for $1 billion in cash and stock.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.